and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Fortnite crash on PC in chapter 5. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can do if you're having this problem is to change the graphics settings. So if your Fortnite keeps crashing, you may need to change your graphics settings. So you should try lowering or to lower your resolution and then check if the game works properly. So if you're still bothered by Fortnite crashing issue, you have to try the next solution, which is to stop overclocking. So the increased CPU speed could also be a reason for Fortnite crashing issue. So if the problem appears after you overclocked your CPU, you can set the CPU clock speed back to the default to solve the problem. So here are the detailed steps. So first, just restart your computer, and when the manufacturer's logo appears, just press F2 in time to enter BIOS. So just go to the advanced tab and locate performance and find overclocking option, and just disable overclocking option and just save changes and exit the BIOS. So just now restart your computer and see if Fortnite crashing issue has been fixed. But if the problem still persists, what you can do lastly is to upgrade or update rather your graphics card driver. So an outdated or corrupted device driver can also cause Fortnite crashing issue. So in this case, you should try updating or reinstalling your device driver, especially the graphics card driver. So you can follow the steps right here to update the graphics driver. So first, just press Windows plus R key on your keyboard to invoke run window, and then input devmgmt dash or dot MSE in the box and click OK to go to the device manager. So just double click the display adapters to expand it and right click onto your graphics card and select update driver. So in the pop-up window, just search automatically or just choose search automatically for updated driver software and then just follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. So after the available update is installed, you should restart your PC and then launch Fortnite to check if the problem has been solved. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having the crashing issue in your Fortnite. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.